Larissa, we've done shows on New American Funding. I love New American Funding. Why? Because I've been in mortgage business over 30 years, and yet I've come across a company that is so sophisticated yet so simple. They've simplified things, they make it very user-friendly, and they make it so that it alters most of the people that need help regarding financing. So let's go through some of the items that they have.
Mr. LAVASSANI, why don't you share with us about the 90% cash out availability program?
You know, these days, everyone needs money. You can always use money for vacation, for medical reasons, for college for the kids. It's summertime, so go on a trip, and just anything that you need. And getting cash up to 90% on your property is very, very difficult to do these days, especially with the political and economical climate that we're in. But they do have a program. New American Funding has a program that fits a lot of people. And give them a call and ask them that you are looking for a 90% cash out program. And it's an amazing program. Not many people have it.
Right. They also have another program, which is Get Out of Your Mortgage Insurance program. Can you share with us about that?
Very, very important program. And the reason is whenever you have a FHA loan or you have other loans that's over 80% of your property value or loan to value, they usually tag in a insurance called mortgage insurance, or sometimes it's called MI or PMI. And they have a program that you don't really have to wait years to get rid of this. You can actually get out of it fairly quickly, and give them a call and explain to them your situation, and they may be able to do that for you. It's very, very important, and I tell you why. Sometimes the MIs are kind of pricey, and for that amount of the mortgage insurance that you're paying, you can actually own a bigger home or get a bigger loan. And it's just fantastic to get rid of it. Or the best part is when you get rid of it, you can apply the same payment and continue making the same payments as previous, and it applies to your principal. So you pay off your mortgage much faster.
Wow.
So for those of you that say, oh, it's just $50 or it's $60 or it's $100 or it's even $30. Why do I need to change it? The $30 or $50 or $100 towards your mortgage goes directly off your principal, and at times it can not only shave off months but sometimes years off your mortgage.
Wow.
You build up equity really fast.
Well, what a great opportunity.
Yes.
And what about foreign nationals?
Foreign national is, we talked about it. I love this program. Many people, I was reading on an article that in Los Angeles, a very high percentage is becoming multicultural. And you're going to have ownership change with the different ethnic groups and people from different countries. And up until now, if you are not a citizen in U.S. and if you're not a resident alien in U.S., it's difficult to get financing because they don't know how to give you loans. But there is a program called Foreign National. You could be citizens of other countries and own a property in the United States and also get a loan. And call them up, they'll explain it to you. You don't even need to visit U.S. You can do it through the paperwork. They can handle it through your country.
From abroad.
From abroad, yes.
Wow. And what about the jumbo loans?
Jumbo loans are any loans that are over $424,000 or $629,000 is called jumbo loan, or north or south of a few dollars here or there. And some people are purchasing properties millions of dollars, and they need financing, and you can't get it in most of the areas, but New American Funding can go up to $15 million on a single transaction, and that's fantastic. Not many people have that.
Wow. And keeping our younger generation in mind now, what about our medical doctor program?
Medical doctor program is a great program for people who achieve higher grounds. It's a very difficult thing to do. If you are in school and finishing, or if you're a doctor, or if you're a dentist, or you hold any kind of medical degree, they can actually, New American Funding has a program that they can actually give you financing up to 95% of your property value. And in some cases, they can even do refinance rate and term up to 95% of the property value. Very, very strong program.
Wow. And for people who have a limited income and whatnot, what about the 1% down program?
It's not the limited income. The limited income is there are some self-employed people that don't show most of their income, and for whatever reason, we don't know why. But there's also programs called stated programs. They also have that. But for as you mentioned, for people that are just coming in and trying to purchase the first property or other properties, there is a 1% down payment. Usually we've heard of 3.5% down payment, but this is new. With 1%, if you're qualified, you can actually purchase a home, and it's really cool.
Wow, that is absolutely great. And I believe they are licensed in every state with the exception of Hawaii and New York.
Yes, and licensing is kind of funky in this case because sometimes you add, sometimes you delete, but it's very safe to say they are licensed in most of the states, and the best thing to do is call them, and they are able to help you.
Correct. And you can actually contact them on their website, which is www.newamericanfunding.com, or you can also reach them at toll-free 888-978-0486.
Yes, it's a toll-free. And, they have multi-language people, and they are very, very professional, very, very professional. They speak almost every language,
Yes.
over a couple hundred different languages. And just to mention a few: Chinese, English, Hindi, Farsi, Spanish, Russian, Vietnamese. Just they have many loan officers, and they have many locations. And as soon as you tell them what language you speak, Korean, they will find the right person to meet your needs.
Correct. So very highly professional, skilled individuals. Definitely give them a call or contact them. Once again, it's newamericanfunding.com.
When they go to newamericanfunding.com, they can on the right-hand corner, it says Get Quote. They can click on Get Quote. There's a mini application, just name and phone number, and very mini. And then there's a section, it says, how did you hear about us? When they click on that, my name is actually on there, Hamid LAVASSANI. And as part of the people that are on there, which I'm honored to be on there, are these top guns in the US that actually advertise for this company. This company is, they do thousands of loans per month. And do you know how many in dollar amounts they do per month,
No.
roughly?
How much?
They do over $1 billion a month in loans. So if you're looking for a $200,000, $150,000 loan, $400,000 loan, $700,000 loan, or $15 million loan, give them a call.